Hi, welcome back to my channel, guys, and welcome back to another episode of Cruising with Goldy. Guys, in today's episode, I'm going to talk about a very interesting job position on a cruise ship, and this position is related to. Yes, guys, I'm talking about the DJ on a cruise ship. Recently, I went on a cruise ship on a Cordilla Cruises. This is the video. So I have seen there was one Indian guy who was playing the music. So I was asking him some question about the DJ, how a person can become a DJ on a cruise ship. So he has shared few things with me, and based on my personal experience when I was working on a cruise ship, so even I have met a lot of DJs in my time also, so I will share it with you. So do not waste time and watch this video till the end if you want to become a DJ on a cruise ship. It's awesome! Very important, we'll start with a education qualification. To become a DJ on a cruise ship, all you require if you are an Indian, 10 pass is must. You don't have to be so qualified, but 10 pass is must, because then if you are 10 pass, then only Indian government will allow you to work on a water, not a cruise ship, water. So basic requirement is 10 pass in job qualification. Now I'm going to talk about the experience. At least 2 years of experience playing as a DJ. You can take 5-star experience, you can take club experience, you can take discos experience. At least 2 years of experience is mandatory. So it depends. Sometimes company says 1 year experience is also fine. So let's see, 1 to 2 years of experience is required. Now, what is the starting salary? Yes, guys, the most important. So it depends on company to company. Company can give you around $2,000 also. So it depends company to company. So let's have one number, at least $1,600 you can earn working as a DJ on a cruise ship. So when you will get a promotion, see guys, mostly when you're working as a DJ, you are actually not looking for a promotion, but still if you are tired of playing music on a cruise ship, there are opportunities, but you should be fit for that position. You should have a experience qualification for that position. By the way, the DJ comes in the entertainment. You can get promoted in entertainment, but if you have any experience in hospitality or housekeeping, you can also ask your company to move from this department to that department. But believe me, working as a DJ, you don't want to work anything else, because it's a fabulous job on a cruise ship. So how many hours you work? So DJ also work at least 10 hours in a day. So but 10 hours you cannot play only music, so they do different jobs on a cruise ship in an entertainment department, I mean. So what they do is, sometimes they help a shore department, sometimes they help a backstage department. So they will be assigned different job, but the core job is to play the music. How long is the contract of a DJ? So the contract lies around mostly 6 to 7 months, not more than that. So guys, if you want to know how to apply on a cruise ship as a DJ, please subscribe to my channel. I have already made the video how to apply on a cruise ship, so you need to watch that video and apply. And I'm sure if you have proper education qualification, you will definitely work as a DJ on a cruise ship. I will see you in my next video. Till then, bye from Cruising with Goldy.